Okay, let's talk about something huge. What if you could turn a tool you probably already use, like ChatGPT, into a full-blown 24/7 sales machine for your e-commerce store? I'm talking about an AI that writes killer sales copy for you on demand in seconds. Seriously. Let's get right into how this works and how it's getting some crazy results.
So let me ask you something. Are you struggling to make sales? You do all the hard work to get people to your store, but then crickets. It's got to be one of the most frustrating feelings for any store owner, especially when you know your products are great. Does any of this sound familiar? You've tried running ads and just burned through your money. You see customers adding stuff to their cart, which is great, but then they just disappear. You spend all this time writing emails that nobody even opens. And after all that, there's hardly any profit left over because you're not making those crucial upsells. It's a grind, and it feels like you're just spinning your wheels for zero results, right?
Okay, here's the thing, and this is so important. If your store isn't making the sales you want, it's probably not a traffic problem. It's a copy problem. It all comes down to the words on your page, the words you use in your ads, your product descriptions, your emails. That's what convinces someone to click buy now instead of just closing the tab. So let's look at the two ways to handle this. You've got the old, hard way. You could hire a professional copywriter, but that can cost you anywhere from $500 to over $2,500. Ouch! Or you could try to do it yourself, which usually means just staring at a blank page for hours, getting totally stuck. Meanwhile, your competitors are pulling ahead. Now, look at the new smart way. You have an AI write everything for you. You're not staring at a blank page, you're just copy-pasting some prompts, and it's done in seconds. And what happens? You start getting more conversions, more upsells, and you're finally ahead of the game. And that brings us to the solution I want to show you today. It's called an AI prompt pack. So what is that? Well, it's basically a collection of perfectly crafted, fill-in-the-blank instructions that you give to ChatGPT. You tell it exactly what you need, and it spits out amazing e-commerce copy every single time. And the whole idea is just so simple. It really boils down to 3 steps. The AI writes it, you paste it where you need it, and the sales start happening. It completely takes the guesswork and the hard work out of creating content that actually sells. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what can I actually make with this thing? Let's take a look inside and see what you can generate, like right away. First up, product descriptions. We're talking about turning a boring list of features into a must-have item that people feel an emotional connection to. Then you've got your Facebook and Instagram ad copy. These prompts are designed to create those scroll-stopping ads that are just irresistible. Of course, we want to boost that average order value, right? So there's copy for your upsells and cross-sells. And what about all those people who leave without buying? There are prompts for abandoned cart recovery to bring those lost sales right back. And it even helps you save time with customer support by generating helpful professional replies that build brand trust. It's the whole package. And on top of all of that, there's a huge bonus. You also get a complete, done-for-you email pack. We're talking over 15 emails that are already written and ready to go. You just copy, paste, and send. It covers everything from welcome emails to sales promotions. Okay, all of this sounds great, but does it actually work? Well, don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some real results from real store owners who are using this. Check this out. Priya, a Shopify store owner, said, I used one abandoned cart email prompt and recovered 3 sales worth $210 in 2 days. This pack paid for itself instantly. I mean, come on. She used one prompt, made her money back, and then some in just 2 days. That's an insane return on investment. And here's another one from Sarah, a dropshipper. She says, the DFY email pack is gold. I plugged them into MailChimp, and my open rates went up by 45%. A 45% jump in open rates? That is massive. That just shows you the power of having the right subject lines and the right email copy. All right, as if all that wasn't enough, it actually gets even better. Because if you act today, you're also going to get 4 free launch bonuses. And these aren't just some throwaway extras. Look at this. You get the AI ChatGPT input framework to make your prompts even better. You get a Canva editable e-cover and a 3D mockup. You get a special AI email subject line generator. And you get a 30-day AI content calendar to plan everything out. The value of these bonuses alone is $390. And you're getting them for free. So you see, you're not just getting a bunch of prompts. When you put all of this together, the core CAC, the DFY emails, all the bonuses, what you're really getting is a complete e-commerce conversion system. It's everything you need all in one place. Okay, so let's talk about the price. I think you're going to be blown away by this offer. If you were to go out and buy all of this separately,
or hire someone to do it for you, you'd easily be looking at over $1,000. The total value here is $1,099. Now, the regular price for a package like this is usually around $97, which honestly is still a great deal for everything you get, but you're not going to pay that today. Because this is a special launch, you can get everything we've talked about for just $14.95. That's it. $14.95. It's kind of a no-brainer. And just to be super clear, that is a one-time payment. This is not a monthly subscription. You pay once and you own it forever. No hidden fees, no recurring charges. And just to make this an absolute no-risk decision for you, your purchase is 100% protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't love it, if you don't get results, just let us know, and you'll get a full refund, no questions asked. So the chance to finally stop struggling and turn your store into a sales machine is right here, right now. Click the link you see in the description below to get instant access to everything, the AI prompt pack, the done-for-you emails, and all 4 bonuses for just $14.95. Go ahead and click that link now, and let's get you started.
What you're seeing right now is the AI prompt pack, e-commerce sales booster plus DFY email pack, one of the hottest AI-driven e-commerce tools released for 2025. This isn't some fancy software you have to learn. It's a collection of 100+ high-converting prompts and ready-made email funnels that instantly generate product descriptions, ads, upsells, cart recovery messages, customer support replies, and more, all with simple copy and paste into your favorite AI like ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper. The AI Smart Digital. If you've ever struggled with writing product copy that actually sells, coming up with ad hooks that make people stop scrolling, or crafting follow-up emails that convert carts into cash, this pack solves all of that in minutes, even if you're a total beginner with no writing or tech skills. The AI Smart Digital. Inside the pack, you get prompts for every e-commerce need, from emotion-driven product descriptions that make your offer irresistible, to scroll-stopping ad copy for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube ads, to upsell and cross-sell prompts that increase your average order value, and abandoned cart recovery prompts that bring buyers back. The AI Smart Digital. On top of that, you also get a done-for-you email pack with 15+ templates, including welcome sequences, promotional campaigns, abandoned cart follow-ups, re-engagement emails, and review requests. Ready to paste into MailChimp, ConvertKit, Shopify, or any email platform you use. The AI Smart Digital. This pack literally turns ChatGPT into your 24/7 e-commerce sales engine, saving you hours of frustrating writing and helping you produce copy that converts, boosts sales, and gets results fast. Real users are reporting recovered cart sales, increases in conversions, higher open rates, and more profit with just a few clicks. The AI Smart Digital. Best of all, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free and see the results yourself. The AI Smart Digital. If you want to start writing better copy that actually drives e-commerce sales, check the link in the description and grab the AI prompt pack now, because this launch price won't last forever.